My name is Gcina Dlamini. I'm part of the team Wiper Eswatini and Rural Grown Farms, advancing the project Climate Smart Farming and value addition of Bio-45 bean to ensure that we minimize food losses in the Kingdom of Eswatini and the world at large. A brief of the team. A team is being led by Kosepawa Manyati, who is a dynamic woman with diverse experience in nutrition, product development, and quality assurance, being assisted by Mr. Gcina Dlamini as the business development to ensure that every farmer is trained, is capacitated on climate smart technologies and value addition. Lastly, on our team with Mr. Mavuso, who is a dynamic production manager to ensure that Bio-45 seeds and beans are available at a time so that they are value added into a finished bean gem products. Summary of the solution. Massive quantities of food, crops, fresh fruits and vegetables go to waste in rural areas, while the country, Eswatini, remains food insecure and rely on imports. Something needs to be done in terms of ensuring that farmers are linked to markets as a step to alleviate food losses and accountability. Training farmers on post-harvest handling and storage of crops they can handle is key in reducing food losses. The use of climate-smart technologies in production of Bio-45 beans, then value addition of the beans into different products like the bean jam that we've already created, cooked frozen beans, which is another product we've created, and bean soup is a way we can bring a solution to a number of food losses at farm gate level. We've identified a number of problems in terms of food losses. Eswatini has a zero hunger strategic review, which was conducted as a first step towards achieving sustainable development goal number 2, which is end hunger, achieve food security, and improve nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture. The review confirms that the country is food insecure and cannot review that the country's food insecurity and cannot meet its national dietary requirements. Therefore, food loss reduction offers a clear opportunity to improve national food security without putting additional pressure to ensure that such losses has a negative impact on the livelihood, nutrition, and food security of our local smallholder farmers. Our mission is embedded into helping to contribute to the livelihood improvement of youth and young women farmers to help themselves, the country, and Africa to be food secure. Our vision is to be the leading institution for an Ignite Youth Center of Excellency using the case of bean value addition. Our values are embedded in accountability, integrity, people's drivenness, to mention a few. Our model starts from farm gate level into storage and shelves. We've seen a number of challenges in terms of climatic condition. There is a change in the climatic condition. Therefore, we need to ensure that farmers are trained in terms of using climate smart practices to ensure that they minimize losses during production. During transit, we need to ensure that produce are stored less bulky, and in an easy way to ensure that we handle the product from farm to table. Processed products are less bulky, thus the need of value addition of products into products like your bean jam, your cooked frozen beans, and your bean soup. In terms of the justification, it is time that as developing countries as the world at large, we act swiftly into reducing food losses and waste, because it plays a significant role in the reduction of poverty and hunger at household level. The urgency on the need to rethink our food system as population growth rises exponentially to 10 billion by 2050. In a time where the whole world is recovering from the COVID-19 pandemic, as well as the current ongoing Russia-Ukraine war, indeed, there is a need for value addition of Bio-45 beans into product with high nutrient content and longer shelf life to ensure that food losses are greatly minimized. Moving on, we need to look in terms of our financial situation. The project needs an investment to grow this impact and impact more farmers of 77,000, at least 77,000 US dollars, which can be used as follows: processing unit, which will include a cold room at a tune of 21,000 US dollars, farm fencing and security to ensure that the production area as well as the processing area is well fenced, a farm solar powered water source to ensure that everything is climate smart. We harness the sun into our production, as well as working capital, youth outgrowers training and digitalization, because digitalization is the key in terms of ensuring food losses. Equipment to a tune of 13,000 US dollars have already been funded by SEA to ensure that we produce and turn and move the agenda of minimizing food losses. This project will have a return on investment of 43.3% to ensure that every dollar that is injected in this product have a return and have a big impact in terms of developing society. The project have some different phases. In 2017 to 2018, product development and product testing was done with the support and collaboration of the Department of Agriculture and Research in the Kingdom of Eswatini and the Ministry of Agriculture. In 2017-2018, we continued in terms of the promotion of Bio-45 seed, which is in this case NOAA 45, and then promotion of grain production by smallholder farmers led by young women and youth, and produce more than 5 tons of Bio-45 seed and more than 40 metric tons of Bio-45 grain. More than 20 tons of the Bio-45 grain was value added into bean jam and other products. As I've mentioned, bean jam, cooked frozen beans, to mention a few. And then the National Department of Agricultural Research did a nutritional analysis to look in terms of how we can improve the product. Then in 2021 to 2022, more than 50 jars of 250 meals was exported to Malawi because people want to test this delicious nutrient. And recent in 2022, we've taken the product to a Taiwan Food Expo, and it have attracted an interest to be exported and eaten and consumed in Taiwan. Ladies and gentlemen, without ensuring that we minimize food losses, we need to eat pulses. We need to invest well and ensure that we live in harmony with Mother Planet Earth. Thank you.